epic fidget spinner battles. Today's fight includes two very good fidget spinners. One of solid metal, the other very generic but very powerful. In this corner,
we have blackout. It will knock your lights out.
And in the other corner, we have Medusa. It is a lot faster than stone, despite the name. What does the first contender have to say? Oh, yeah.
I will knock Medusa's lights out. She can never turn me to stone.
What is Medusa's comeback? Okay, I'll admit, I might not be able to turn him to stone. But he's wrong about the first thing. There is no way he can knock my lights out. I mean, I have so many heads, so many lights to knock out. Let the battle begin. Ref, please set him spinning. Fight! Off the table. First round to Medusa. Second round. Ref, as you were. Fight! Off the table. Final round. If Medusa wins, the competition is over. We are switching sides just to see if it was a side disadvantage. Fight! Tie! We are seriously starting to wonder who's going to win. Continue! Spin! Spin! Fight! Whose was that? He's been temporarily injured.
I'm fine.
Ref, do you think an injury should count as a TKO? Or should we carry on?
I think this one should get 1 point.
Seriously? No!
Carry on.
Yes, next fight. God damn it, you biased ref. Fight! Ouch! Medusa! Flippin' -1 point!
Woohoo! Yeah! Now it's
Shut up, you have 0 points.
No.
You have 1 point, so technically she is winning. Anyway, continue, for the love of God, someone win. Fight! For God's sake! It's a flippity flop flandango. Okay, set him spinning, and for God's sake, one of you win. Ouch! Oh,
This one's still spinning. It was for the.
Okay, this is the final round. Whoever wins this one wins overall. I'm starting to get really sick of this. Fight!
This one's still spinning.
So was the other one. They stopped
It's
it
a
there.
tie.
Okay, we're just going to call it a tie. I'm done with this crap. Anyway, the winners are Blackout.
Yeah.
And Medusa. Okay, we hope you enjoyed this round of exotic and regular fidget spinner fights. Good night and have a happy day. Night. Wait, what?